Next up, we have the Moto G Stylus. A little more expensive again. So this is going to be the one with the stylus. It's got 4 cameras on this one, so it's a little more exciting. Let's have a look. There's a divider here, and manuals are inside of this time, so it's a little different. You got SIM removal tool, warranty card, manual, and of course USB A to C cable and a power brick that's a little bigger. So let's have a look at the phone, shall we? This is a little more interesting. As you can see, it has a quad camera system in the back. It adds an ultra wide, 48 megapixel, and I believe a macro on here as well. Also plastic, but definitely looks more premium. And let's turn it on. Fingerprint sensor is mounted on the side here on this one, like some of the other mid-range 1 series Moto phones. And hey, sorry for the cut, but I forgot to show you the stylus, which is obviously really important on a phone like this since it does have one. But notice it's just a capacitive stylus, just a little nubbin at the end of this pen. And yeah, it's a little nicer feeling and a little more fancy than the one last year. So that's good.